Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and customize drop shadows on your text, objects or any video clip. Let's get started. First, select the clip or text you want to add a shadow to. Then go to the effects panel and search for drop shadow. Drag it onto your layer. In the effects control panel, scroll down and you'll see the drop shadow settings. The first setting is color. This changes the color of your shadow. By default it's black, but you can click on it and make it any color that you want. I'm going to choose a red color. Next up is opacity. This chooses how transparent your drop shadow is, 0 being invisible and 100% meaning it's fully visible. Direction. This controls where your shadow is cast. Think of it like rotating a light source around your object. Next up is distance. This controls how far the shadow sits from your text or object. A small number keeps it tight and subtle, and a higher number pushes it farther away. Softness controls how blurry the shadow edges are. Low softness gives you a sharp, crisp shadow, and high softness gives a smooth, feathered look, great for depth or glow effects. And lastly, there's shadow only. If you check this box, it'll hide the original object and just show the shadow. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.